So my friend Frank is coming over and we're going to go watch the fireworks at Lotte World Tower, which is kind of near my house. It's close enough where if I cannot get a taxi home, I could walk. Hopefully that won't happen, but worst comes to worst, I can walk. I don't know what the crowds are gonna be like, but there are going to be 555 seconds of fireworks, and this is the first time that they've had it actually, because last year the tower was still being built. So I don't know what it's gonna look like, but hopefully it will be good. So I'm expecting it to be really cold tonight. So I have like all my clothes laid out. I'm already wearing a turtleneck and leggings and fuzzy socks. And I'm gonna put on another pair of leggings and furry earmuffs, a scarf, and this muffler that Frank got me in Taiwan. I didn't even know that it was that cold in Taiwan where they had these. And then I got my North Face fleece and my winter coat with my hood. Oh, and most importantly, my gloves and hand warmers. And I got one for each hand, so hopefully that will keep us warm while we're standing outside.
Happy New Year from Korea!
오, 4, 3, 2, 1! Woo! Happy New Year! I just got home and I'm genuinely shocked, slightly disappointed, but overall it was good. I was expecting the lights or the fireworks to be like the ones that wrap around the whole building like it was for the cherry blossom show, but they like only shot them off the top. But it was still really cool to see and it looked really neat with the light show. And the crowd actually was not that bad. I was able to take the first subway home and my transfer subway came right away. So it's like 12:45 a.m. right now and I'm already home. So I will be in bed by 1 a.m. which is awesome because I did not want to be out in the crowds all night long. So I'm very thankful for that. But anyways, Happy New Year and I hope you all have a great New Year wherever you are. Bye!